Hi guys, welcome to a review of the Tcx Metropolitan. So I got these today, and they're brand new. So this is going to be a review and an unboxing, and with that I'm going to go through what's in the box. So in the box you have a user's manual, some stickers, Tcx focus on boots. Won't put those on the shoes though. And a user manual. And these shoes are certified, CE certified. Let's get around to read those. Also in the package there's a shoe protection, a shift pad protection that you put on the shoe itself. Most likely this will not stick around, so it will most likely be flying off when you get on the bike. But this comes free of charge, which is very good. The boots themselves come in this nice sway-like bag with the logo and the motto, focus on boots. Here's the boots. That's one of them. Here's another pair. So looking at the quality from the factory, I'm not sure if it's visible in the camera, but there's a small marks of where the color is not really consistent. That's a little bit of a shame. You see that it's somebody has tried to put on a color, but it's either too much in some places and too little in others. Same thing going on with the other pair. That might be a design choice from Tcx, but it doesn't look that nice. Doesn't look premium. So these are priced 185 euros. There's a link in the description where you can get these. They're full leather grain. The material feels high quality though, and thick. They are reinforced in the heels, toes, and the inserts, which feels extremely good and safe, at least. So these are formal shoes that are motorcycle and safety certified, which is really what I was looking for when I bought these. I didn't want to have big chunky boots, which I also have, but I just want to have formal boots that are safe, basically. The closure system is full lace system. It goes very up high. I think these are anti-shock resistant, so there's some technology built in based on Tcx web page information, at least on the material used. So there's some anti-shock material, and you can notice it's very thick compared to regular formal shoes. And the ankle protection feels very good. So you have the logo Tcx. These are not the Gore-Tex version. This is the regular one. There is another version that is Gore-Tex. I have never felt that Gore-Tex is helpful, and you need to maintain them in order to keep their water resistance. But I'll give these shoes a test ride, and I'll start using them, and I'll upload one additional video later on where I'm gonna see how they're doing in real life usage. So check out the link in the description. If you have any questions, add them in the comments below. Otherwise, catch you in the next one. Cheers.